Good evening, everyone. Today is the 9th of May, and here are some of the updates on actions that lie in the week ahead. The corporate earnings season slowed down just a bit, but the conference and events schedule heats up with the SON Investment Conference, the Wall Street Journal's Future of Everything, and investor updates from companies like Hans Brands, Norton LifeLock, and Stanley Black& Decker all on tap. The economic calendar is headlined by April's Consumer Price Index report, which several firms forecast will come in ahead of the consensus expectations. That could also throw a brighter spotlight on inflation. We see near-term volatility in inflation as the economy restarts progress and believe markets underappreciate potential for medium-term price pressures, warn BlackRock strategists. Finally, there is the implication of Tesla CEO Elon Musk appearing on Saturday Night Live and what happens to Dogecoin if the cryptocurrency catches some mainstream exposure. Earnings report on Monday, May 10th will be on Tyson Food, J2 Global, Duke Energy, Workhorse Group, Marriott International, Biotech, and Occidental Petroleums. Earnings spotlight on Tuesday, May 11th will be on Chip MOS Technologies, Electronic Arts, Unity Software, and Kinross Gold. Wendy's and Amdocs are set to publish their records on Wednesday. On Thursday, May 13th, Alibaba, Airbnb, Yeti, Disney, Canada Goose, DoorDash, Xpeng will publish their earnings reports. Some IPOs expected to start trading next week include Enact Holdings and Flora Growth on May 11th, as well as SimilarWeb and Global E Online on May 12th. The IPO lockup period expires on Invo Bioscience on May 12th. Notable expirations in the week ahead include AppLovin, Too Simple, Alchemy, Karat Packaging, and Esports. Expected dividend hikes for the next week include Wabash National to $0.09 from $0.08, iStar to $0.12 from $0.11, Ashland Global to $0.30 from $0.27, Northrop Grumman to $1.57 from $1.43, and Everest Re to $1.60 from $1.55. Adidas will start taking in the first round of bids for its sale of its Reebok brand. Shareholders with TDY vote on the merger with Flair on May 13th. The deal is expected to be approved and closed on May 14th. The FDA action on the new drug application resubmission for the heroin therapeutics HTX-011 arrives on May 12th. The Wall Street Journal's The Future of Everything 3 days late of talks will be one of the most riveting events of the week. Top exits with Salesforce.com, Abbott Laboratories, Facebook, MasterCard, Nordstorm, and Metal are all due to give forward-looking strategy and product updates. The crypto world will also be watching when SEC Commissioner Hester Pierce gives a talk on May 11th. While she is a supporter of the cryptocurrency, Pierce has warned the US is falling behind in setting up a rational regulatory framework for the blockchain and cryptocurrency industries. Some of the notable conferences running during the week include Morgan Stanley Urban Air Mobility Summit, the Moffett-Nathanson 3rd Annual Payments Processor IT Service Summit 2021, the Bank of America Securities Global Healthcare Conference 2021, Oppenheimer's 6th Annual Emerging Growth Conference 2021, the Goldman Sachs Industrials and Materials Conference 2021, and the Citi 2021 Global Energy and Utilities Virtual Conference. Uber and Lyft are viewed favorably as the companies start to see business levels bounce back. Wedbush Security notes tough but necessary cuts as Lyft helped the company deliver its best EBITDA performance in its history, which is called as a great sign of leverage in the model. Driver growth is expected to improve as unemployment and stimulus fade and as more potential drivers receive their vaccines. Meanwhile, Uber still expects to hit profitability as the company heads into the second half, which could ease some of the concerns over the stock. Some of the Barron mentions, Seagate Technology is profiled favorably with the company noted to be thriving with new target markets and rapidly evolving technology. The growing need for mass storage is propelling demand for Seagate's largest drives, and X6 see other growth opportunity. In the retail sector, the end of the pandemic is expected to lead to a rush of wardrobe refreshes by consumer. Stocks even benefiting include American Eagle Outfitters, Nike, Revolve Group, and TJX companies. Some notable producers in the copper market are First Quantum Minerals and Southern Copper, which is majority owned by the Mexican conglomerate Grupo Mexico. The Global X Copper Miners Exchange Traded Fund holds mining stocks, while the US Copper Index funds offer a direct play on the metal through ownership of the future contracts. That's all for today's updates. See you next week.